Home prices in Las Vegas are going to be up over $12,000 for the month of May. And we've only lost 12 homes off the active single-family home market week over week. Could this be a sign that inventory is reversing and that the market may flip soon? This is Cosmo with another weekly housing market update for May 31st, 2023, and let's dive into the trends. It's an interesting week. Now, even though inventory barely declined this week, we do feel it's going to have its continuation. It was a holiday week, even though it counts last week and not this start of this week. People were preparing for the holidays, so I think there was a decline in what went under contract, even though it's still pretty high. Everything is still continuing as we've talked about in previous weeks. Under contract's going to remain around this 500 number. Expireds are going down, withdrawals will be continuing to go down, and solds are going to have this continuation in the 400s with the 500s at the end of a month. Same thing going on with the days on market average and median because there are less homes to choose from and continued demand. Those numbers are continuing to decline. And then here's a big one everyone wants to know. Home prices have been ticking upwards. Now remember, at the end of every single month, there tends to be a bump, but the overall monthly sold number is going to be $440,000, $10,000 more than it was in April. We're going to continue to see price reductions come down, but I think as agents and sellers get more aware of this market, they might start getting a little greedy and putting their prices way up there again. Just something to look out for. List to sales price, I'm happy, came back down to about 98%. And then, of course, we're just not getting new listings because people don't want to sell in this high interest environment. But we will say that because of the debt ceiling agreement and some other things, interest rates are seeing a better day, and that can be a good thing or bad thing depending on where you are in your buying process. And so while the news continues to portray this negative outlook on the housing market and telling you things like rent prices are going down when in fact they're going up month over month, it's going to be interesting to see what they say when housing prices go up $10,000, and instead of saying cooled, they might change the narrative and now say hot. And as always, this active inventory is the number to pay attention to. Now, we don't see in the near future this number reversing anytime soon. However, you never know, something could happen. Follow so you can stay on top of the market and know exactly what's happening in the near future based on this data, and call and text with all your Las Vegas real estate needs.